He was not born to harvest fields, nor raised in gentle land. He comes from broken riverbeds and cities drowned in sand. Twice the flood erased the world and left him stripped of breath. Twice he clawed his way from mud and learned the taste of death. He walked where crowns sank out of sight and towers split like bone. He heard the starving silence where no mercy had been sown. He saw what hungered us to men, not quickly, not with flame, but slow enough to hollow out a father's pride and name. He remembers. Lords have struck him to the stone. Kings have used his back. Dungeons carve their lessons deep, where light and hope both lack. He learned to burn the sapwood down to choking beds of coal, to pull red rivers from the ore and hammer out control. Not for glory, not for praise, not for banners high, but because an empty stomach is the cruelest way to die. He does not fear the blade. He fears the silence before a mill. Baujin of the flood, breaker of famine's hand. He stands when hunger circles slow across a dying land. No child bends to hollow ribs, no elder fades to bone. While Baujin draws a breath of air, no one starves alone. Remember the name when the fires burn low. Baujin comes and famine goes. After the last great drowning came a pale hand in the rain, moonlit skin and crimson breath, mercy edged with pain, as a being heart in a shattered world, forbidden as a night. She pulled him back from death's cold shore and gave him back his fight. But love between such worlds is mocked, and mocked things must be chased. So he fled beneath a hunted sky, with hunger still to face. He does not run from fear, he runs from what it costs. The Ophidian banners split the wind, scold and coiled and grim. The sovereignty of iron will, and he gave his strength to them. Stone by stone he built their walls, grain by grain he stole. He learned the oven, brew and flame, as sacred as the sword. For starving men forget their vows, and starving clans will fall. So he swore before the forge's glow, hunger ends here for all. Baujin of the flood, hammer against the night. He stands between the empty bowl and famine's creeping by. No clan shall know the hollow dark, no brother beg for bread. He'd burn the heavens into ash before one more is unfed. Say the name dungeon stone, he found her bound in chain. Moonlight caged in iron dark, love returned in pain. Steel rang once, the lock gave way, the past breathed in again. But sovereigns kill what they don't trust, and mercy is a sin. So under cover of moon and ash, he walks the silent road, carrying bread through hidden doors where forbidden love is old.
When the waters rise again, Baujin. When the ladders echo hollow, Baujin. When the weak begin to fade, Baujin. When despair is hard to swallow, Baujin of the flood, oath carved into bone. He survived the drowning world, so none would starve alone. He is not throne, he is not gilded fate. He is the wall against the dark,
And hunger fears his name. He is the wall against the dark, and hunger fears his name.